Is it a match?
Match like.
Yeah. No. 5 seconds and then Seliza keep on blindfolded and so 5, 4, 3. Maybe 2 like keep. 2, 1, 0. This is your boy Tiara in aka Tranquil A, guys. So this is our first blind date. Yeah, so we're operating it's school edition. So guys, ama-rules athi alitshelani amabizo lothi lihlala phi lothi lifunda eklasini iphi. Yeah, so umbuzo wokuqala uthi ngizaqala ngomfana nenkazana decide who left wama. So senditshela ama-rules. Question yokuqala ithi yini i-red flag yakho emfaneni?
I-red flag. Mfana like ufumba gay, something like gay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yikho ke?
Red flag.
Yeah, yikho phela.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, wena mfana.
Romantic.
Longekho romantic. Yeah, alright. So mfana i-red flag yakho enkazaneni ni cherry njani?
Cherry yabe nganiki isikhathi for me.
Yakhuluma phezulu.
Ngithi cherry yabe nganiki isikhathi for me, yabe ngela isikhathi ukuthi ngispende isikhathi la.
Kuphela?
Yikho kuphela.
So i-green flag ngeli yona ufuna umfana onjani?
Oh, attractive.
Attractive. Alright, ngiyakuthiwa. Wena ke?
As long as ngile isikhathi esingesami cheke singasifende isikhathi so yabo.
I-green flag yakho?
As long as isikhathi for me.
Oh, so i-type yakho ngumuntu onjani?
Umuntu ongafebiyo, ongathanda amakazana kakhulu like calm.
Alright. Wena ke i-type yakho ngumuntu onjani?
Yeah, cheke mina ngila type as long cheke ungumuntu grand cheke. Yabona.
Yeah, alright. For question. So ngizalinika 5 minutes ukuthi likhulume likuzane imbuzo. Yeah, but lingakhohlwa ama-rules guys. Yeah, nanku bambe mic. Likuzane imbuzo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi just a question ukuthi singaba ku relationship and like yabona ngapha lesikhathi yabo like for mina ukuthi mina lawe yabona sibe lesikhathi so yabo sitshelana ukuthi yabona njani as long lesikhathi ukuthi yabona lami njani ngiyayenza sami isikhathi for you. So na uthini ngakho just a question ukuthi ngingaba in a relationship la unganinika isikhathi
Kuyadependa basi.
Kuyadependa ngani?
Thi nyanyi busy kumbe nyanyi free yabo.
Yeah, alright. Ufuna ukumbuza khona?
Nothing much.
Any question? Any question?
Ndanto eziningi.
Yeah, so sithi sekuyibukheli. Uthikasela lutho kakhulu.
Nawuzela. Yeah, so so bengicela nibambaneni izandla beni ngazaliza ukuthi phela so right phela. So mrate ngaka 2 of 10 so far?
7.
Yes. Wena yomrate ngaka 2 of 10?
Yeah, sepangithi 7 that.
7 ezinye 3 zingaphi kahle?
Anything yabona. Kambuza anything.
Yeah, so silly to bonan.
She angazi ukuyo manxefuna.
Yeah, when so retu mboni.
Yeah.
So ina lu facing at. Kanyela aparma. Easy. So mina nzabala 5 seconds and then seliza keep ama blindfolded and so 5 4 3 mayidi 2 ya keep 2 1 0.
Yes, not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat Movite with pap, mix them together and make something like porridge, pap, Movite, something.
So njoba sombonile umreta ngayi
5.
5 type yakho.
Yeah.
So wena umreta ngayi njoba sombonile.
Ngiyabuyisa bongothi 5.
Ijomnate 5 izinga 5 izinga lokho liphana nama return ufanayo fere
Yangwazi nje. Ngubona abantu kangichaza.
you are shaking. Eish suplasha kakhulu. Awe. Yimnike mic. Yes, yasopra. Ufuna ukuthi lapha umtshintshi ingqondo nje kan okumshiya ama raise nyana maybe iscale ngakhwela maybe. Yeah, sweet.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, alright. Like ngabona ukuthi ngiboningani there's something yabona in common. Ngingakabi ngazi kakhulu kodwa nani ngifeel like singayazana bona kancane yabona siyabona ukuthi i-relationship yethu yaphelela ngayo. Yikho engayikuthi wena uthini ngakho? Sithi wena uthini ngakho? Awula ngitshela ukukhuluma.
Yeah, nila nto yokukhuluma.
Ngithi uthikala into yokukhuluma la. Emini uthikala into yokukhuluma shi angazi ukuthi fa.
Okay guys, so kuzobali second blind dating.
Yeah.
Izokhona.
Ya asiyapunguza amashiki okuncane.
Mate. Oh, is it a match?
Match like.
Yeah. No, Cheruti no guys. When is it a match?
Let me ngafuni sokuyino.
Alright guys. So guys, stay tuned for part 2. This will go to uzobale blind date, the second blind date. Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, say bye.